My name is Kayla Sutton, and I'm a kindergarten teacher. My biographical information is I was born in New Mexico. I've lived in both Florida and Texas. I have two boys. Both are 3 and 4 years old, so they're both still in their toddler years. I have 3 younger sisters, and I've lived in Kenansville for 4 years now. My educational background, I have my high school diploma from Lake Highlands High School. I am currently in pursuit of my AA degree in elementary education from Valencia College, and in my goals I am pursuing a bachelor's degree in elementary education from the University of Central Florida. My work background is a customer service associate at Men's Warehouse and an apparel associate at Bass Pro, and I hope to become a kindergarten teacher in my near future. My hobbies and interests include my family, reading, travel, and animals. My future goals are earning my teaching certificate, additional certificate, and teaching special education students, and traveling to Ireland.